If you are a super admin for your domain but want another user from your organization to be able to administer and manage Sign.UseWise app, you can assign them with certain admin roles and privileges in the Google Workspace Admin Console. Let's create a custom role in the Google Workspace Admin Console and assign that role to a user from organization that will be responsible for managing Sign.UseWise. Log into Google Workspace Admin Console and select Account and Admin Roles. Then select Create a new role. Give your role a name such as Sign.UseWise Admin Role or something similar and click Continue. Select the following Admin Console privileges: Organization Units, Read, Users, Read. Scroll down to the Admin API roles and privileges and make sure that Organization Units, Read, Users, Read and Groups, Read is also selected. Click Continue. Preview your role and select Create Role. Now you can assign this role to specific user from your organization. Select Assign Users. Find and select a user and click Assign Role. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news from UseWise.